Most people watching this are not broke. They are confused. And that distinction matters more than you think. Being broke is a financial condition. Confusion is a structural condition. If you're broke, the problem is lack of income. If you're confused, the problem is lack of clarity. And most financially stressed professionals today fall into the second category. They earn money, they pay their bills, they function. But something feels unstable. There's low-grade tension around money. You hesitate before checking your bank account. You delay reviewing your expenses. You avoid looking at your full financial picture because it feels slightly overwhelming. Not catastrophic, just unclear. That uncertainty slowly becomes mental noise, and mental noise drains confidence. Modern financial life is more complex than ever before. You don't just have one salary and one expense. You have multiple bank accounts, debit cards, credit cards, automatic subscriptions, streaming services, buy now, pay later options, investment apps, insurance policies, loan payments, digital wallets. Money is constantly moving. And when money moves faster than your awareness, control disappears. You are not irresponsible. You're operating in a system designed for frictionless spending. Every transaction is easier than ever. You tap, you click, you confirm. There is no physical exchange, no visible reduction of cash. So your brain doesn't register financial impact the same way it used to. You don't feel poor. You feel slightly behind, slightly reactive, slightly unsure. If this resonates with you and you want to build real financial clarity step by step, consider subscribing to the channel. This series is structured intentionally. Each episode builds on the previous one. We're not chasing trends. We're building financial intelligence. Now, let's go deeper. Without a clear structure, every financial event feels personal. Unexpected car repair, stress spike, tax adjustment, frustration, market downturn, anxiety. Because there is no stable framework absorbing those shocks. Instead, everything hits you directly. Here's an uncomfortable question. Do you know your real monthly baseline? Not your rent, not your estimate. Your actual baseline, the number required to maintain your current life. Most people don't. They know how much they earn. They don't know how much is already committed before the month begins. They don't know how much flexibility actually exists. And when flexibility is unknown, anxiety grows. Financial clarity is not about tracking every coffee. It's about understanding structure. What is fixed? What is flexible? What is optional? What is automatic? What is strategic? Right now, for many people, everything feels blended together. Income comes in, expenses go out, savings happen randomly, investments feel optional. There is no defined hierarchy. And without hierarchy, there is no control. Control is not restriction, it is predictability. When you understand your system, surprises become manageable. When you don't, even small disruptions feel destabilizing. Let's reframe something important. Financial peace does not come from earning more. It comes from understanding what you already have. If you doubled your income tomorrow but kept the same structural confusion, your anxiety would return at a higher lifestyle level. Because the problem isn't volume, it's visibility. Clarity starts with one decision. Stop asking, "Why don't I have more money?" Start asking, "Do I fully understand my current system?" Can you clearly describe your total fixed monthly obligations, your non-negotiable expenses, your true discretionary spending, your savings rate? Margin is critical. Margin is the gap between income and obligation. Margin creates flexibility. Flexibility creates confidence. Confidence reduces stress. Without margin, you are fragile, even if your salary is high. And fragility forces reactive decisions. This is why some high earners still feel pressure. Their lifestyle expanded faster than their structure matured. Their baseline rose, but their clarity did not. You are not behind. You are not financially incompetent. You are structurally unclear. And structural clarity is learnable. Over the next episodes, we're not chasing wealth, we're building understanding. Because once you see clearly, everything becomes calmer. Money stops being emotional and starts becoming strategic. You are not broke, you are operating without a map. And this season is about building one. If you're serious about building financial calm instead of financial noise, subscribe to the channel. Next, we'll uncover where your money really goes and why invisible spending patterns quietly control your structure. Awareness comes first.